Hello friends, and welcome back to Catwood's Kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome! I'm so glad that you're here. Click that subscribe button to see weekly grocery hauls, meal plans, and in-depth recipe tutorials. I'll show you my tips and tricks to shop, cook, and eat delicious budget-friendly meals. This week's grocery trip was short and sweet, and as a spoiler, came in just barely over $25. Unfortunately, I didn't catch these groceries on video since we stopped by the store right before we cooked a bunch of these items, but I did manage to snap a few quick photos before we cooked. We went to my parents' house specifically to barbecue, and aside from a few meats that I got to throw into their smoker, we mostly just bought our weekly staple items. So this week I'm also going to include some of the key items that I'm using from my fridge and freezer for this week's meal plan, in addition to showing you today's haul. So let's start with the weekly staple items I got. 1 bunch of bananas for 88 cents, 6 apples that came to $3 total, and some Noosa yogurts for $5. We also got a handful of random items. Prepared horseradish for a homemade Russian dressing at $1.99, a pair of Cliff Bars for a weekend hike at $1 each, and some Scotch-Brite sponges for $2.50. We also got some meats for the smoker, 1 whole chicken for $6.25, and 2 packages of clearance brats for $1.99 each. The grand total after tax was $25.81, and my grand total for the entire month of July was $233.64. Here are the key items that I'm shopping from my fridge and freezer this week. Pizza dough and sauce. You can actually let pizza dough cold ferment in your fridge for up to 3 days after making it. Some beef and bean chili. This is the chili that I made a few weeks ago with zucchinis and poblano peppers. And some biscuits and gravy. On Sunday we're going for a nice long hike, and I already know when I meal planned that I would be too tired to cook when we got back home, so we're getting some nice warm subs from a local shop that day. On Monday we'll take the sausages we smoked over the weekend and throw them onto a pizza with caramelized onions. That's such a quick meal when you have the dough already prepped in your fridge. After making a batch of sauerkraut last week, we were in the mood for some Reuben-inspired sandwiches, so that's what we'll make on Tuesday with some smoked chicken. For an extra challenge, we decided to make all the ingredients from scratch for the sandwich. My first attempt at rye bread came out a little bit flat, so I'm going to turn that into croutons, and I'll make another loaf after adjusting the recipe for these sandwiches. On Wednesday, we'll do leftovers. This week, I'm going to try and plan for at least 2 nights of leftovers instead of just 1, and see if that helps us to eat through what we make in the week. Fingers crossed that works out. Thursday, I'm taking some beef and bean chili out of the freezer and warming it up to serve over rice. And on Friday, I'll take another meal out of the freezer with those biscuits and gravy. By now you probably think we eat biscuits and gravy every week, but this month has been an anomaly, I promise. Saturday, we'll do another night of leftovers, and that wraps up the week. I hope you enjoyed this week's haul and meal plan. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd be interested in seeing a freezer or pantry tour. I'd also love to hear your thoughts on what I should make next month. I'm always looking for meal planning inspiration. If you liked this video, giving it a simple thumbs up is a great way to support the channel, and you can take it a step further by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell.